Recently, may listener tayo na nagtanong dahil yung kanyang namatay na kamag-anak ay namatay sa isang ospital at ayaw ibigay yung kanyang death certificate na kailangan mo pag nagpalibing ka ng kamag-anak. So here, meron tayong Baguio City Ordinance number 42, series of 2017 na aking inotor nung tayo pa ay kasama sa Sangguniang Panlunsod. Meron din tayong law na nagsasabing the withholding of death certificate of a patient due to unpaid hospital bills is unlawful. At the law itself, no, under Republic Act 9349 at saka yung Department of Health Administrative Order 2008-001 ay nagsasabing it is unlawful for a hospital to withhold the death certificate of a deceased patient if the purpose for which it was obtained is for internment. No? Pag required kasi ng Department of Health na bago ka bigyan ng permit para ilibing ang iyong kamag-anak ay i-present mo muna yung death certificate. And because of this, no, ang nire-require ng batas ay ibigay ng ospital yung death certificate kung meron utang yung pasyente, hospital bills, pwede lang mag-issue ng promissory note yung relative ng namatay at hindi pwedeng i-withhold, hindi pwedeng hintayin ng ospital na mabayaran ng bill bago niya i-release yung death certificate. At nagbigay ng sanction ng batas dito, 2,000 to 5,000 peso fine and imprisonment of not less than 6 months or both. So, i-assert po nyo yan. Nung may mga kamag-anak na ganito ang sitwasyon, i-assert nyo na walang karapatan ang mga hospital to withhold the death certificate of a deceased patient.